What we see in reporting is sometimes one lead source will send us 100 leads and none of them will convert into admitted patients. And sometimes one lead source will send us 2 leads, but both of them become admitted patients. And if we're spending money on advertising or paying attention and visiting various lead sources, we want to make sure we allocate our resources to the right places. I think lead sources are in a way underrated. You get all types of prospects and leads from different types of sources. In our blog, we've talked about how lead sources can be from an advertisement in a magazine all the way to Google Ads. So you have all these leads coming from different places, and you want to track the results, where they're coming from, and then how they're performing. And if you create a funnel and you have steps in the process, you can see where they're falling off. The way Inflowcare was designed, the lead source field is required. So often customers before Inflowcare, they're not even tracking their lead sources. They don't know where they're coming from, or they'd have to ask people who might have that information in their head. But with Inflowcare, you cannot enter a lead into the system without documenting the lead source. Having the lead source information, you can see how each of your lead sources are performing.